forecast yesterday. I wasn't sure if we'd be having a recital today or not. But the students are so ready to go, and I know you're in for a good afternoon of music. Before we start, I would like Kate, Abby, and Sophie to stand up. These three young ladies participated in the MMTA contest yesterday. So you will be hearing their contest pieces today, and I know that you will enjoy those. Thank you. Today we're going to go straight through from youngest to oldest. So we'll be starting with our fourth grader, Kate Landsteiner, and the first piece she's going to play was her contest piece, and then she'll also add Maple Leaf Rag.